Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I didn't post Monday through Wednesday, but I was really busy then and I had a lot of homework to do. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm back with another program, and this time it's going to be with pyautogui. So if you don't know what that is, that basically just stands for Python Automation GUI, which means like graphic user interface. And it basically just controls your keyboard and mouse for you. So if you want to move your mouse automatically, then it can do that for you. If you want to like type a key automatically, then your mouse can also do that for you. And the next package we have today is time, and we use time later on by saying time.sleep. If you don't know what that is, that basically just pauses the program for 10 seconds and has like the program quote unquote sleep. And I use a while loop to loop that whole thing, so it moves every 10 seconds to one corner, and it also prints out which corner it moves to. So there that is. Now we can run it and hope that it works. It moved. Did y'all see that move? And then look, it also printed it out. So cool, right? And now we only need to wait 10 seconds for it to move again to the right upper. It just did. Moved a little too right though. So that's a bug I'll have to fix, but I mean, hey, it's still so cool. Honestly, y'all should try. Ooh, it moved to the right bottom corner now. Guys, I'm seriously not moving it by myself. If you think I'm cheating, then like try it out for yourself. Like try out the code. It's really fun. And there it is. And now I'm gonna stop it because I don't want to run it forever. I'm pressing Control-C. There we go. And if y'all don't know, Control-C just stops a program in Python. And that's about it for today. I mean, y'all can actually change your the positions of the screens with these coordinates to adjust to your screen, but besides that, like, it's about the same. So see you next time then. Bye.